थैंक यू सर। आई एम कैलाश शर्मा फ्रॉम गुड़गांव। और हम सभी जानते हैं कि भगवान ने हमें एक बहुत ही जो शक्ति दी है, वो सोचने की शक्ति दी है। वो हर किसी प्राणी में सोचने की शक्ति नहीं है, सिर्फ इंसान में ऐसी शक्ति है जो सोच सकता है। तो हम क्यों ना अच्छा सोचे और बड़ा सोचे। हम सब लोग कई बार देखा होगा, मंदिर में जाते हैं या किसी से कुछ प्रार्थना करते हैं और वो हमारी प्रार्थना पूरी हो जाती है, तो हम बाद में सोचते हैं यार हमने बहुत कम चीज मांगी है। हो सकता है हम ज्यादा बड़ा चीज मांगते तो हमें हमारी इच्छा विश पूरी हो जाती। तो ऐसा कई बार हमें पछतावा होता है। तो व्हाई नॉट टू थिंक बिग। हम अच्छा सोचे, बड़ा सोचे। ये मेरा टॉपिक है आज का कि हाउ टू थिंक बिग, और कैसे उसको हम अपने विचारों को बड़ा सोचे। तो थिंकिंग जो है, जो हमारी थिंकिंग है, दैट बिग थिंकिंग बिग वाइडन्स आवर हॉरिजन्स। जो हमारी सोचने की शक्ति है, यदि हम बड़ा सोचते हैं तो हमारा जो विचार का क्षेत्र है उसको बड़ा बनाती है। दिस वाइडन्स योर हॉरिजन्स, टेकिंग यू आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी एंड इनटू एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी। और जो हमारी सोचने की शक्ति है वो हमें ऑर्डिनरी बनाती है या एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बनाती है। प्रैक्टिस putting this thinking into effect and take action. Put no limits on your goals. आपके गोल असीमित, भगवान के पास असीमित शक्ति है, तो बड़ा सोचे। Go for bigger and better and have the passion, drive and energy to make your dreams into reality. God has given us the power of thinking. As long as you are going to be thinking anyway, think big. The key is that when you choose to think big, you start to attract big things into your life. One of the most important characteristics that separate the successful people from the unsuccessful people is their thinking. जो सक्सेसफुल पीपल और अनसक्सेसफुल में जो डिफरेंस है वो उनकी सोच के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। Successful people always choose to think big. They dream big. They imagine themselves playing it big. When you think big, you will start to make decisions and take actions that brings you big results. Most people are conditioned to think small because of what they have been told and experienced in their life. They try to go big but fail. They try to pursue their big dreams, but their parents, teachers, and friends told them to be realistic. You are adult now. Now you can take your control yourself, your own control. You can think, can take and think independently. You can choose to think big or to sing. You are the one to decide on how you want to live your life. So if you are going to think big, I will tell 7 ways that can help you expand your mindset and make you a big thinker. Number 1 is visualize the possibilities. Imagine the Imagine and visualize the positive possibilities. Think about all the good things that can happen to you. It is known to everybody that whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So ये हम सब लोग जानते हैं, जो हम मस्तिष्क में सोचते हैं वही बनते हैं। Number 2 is expand your thinking through reading. Reading is one of the easiest method that can transform your thinking. The more you read, the more knowledge you gain, and the better you can expand your view. Third point is enlarge your dreams by networking with other successful people. This is one of the most important points. You have to network with successful people. Therefore, when you network and make friends with other successful people who are doing much better than you will be surprised by how much more you can achieve in your life. When you talk to people who are big thinkers, you will expand your thinking and encourage to think bigger too. उनको देख के आप आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, बड़ा सोचते हैं. Then next point is, number 4 point is, you have to elevate 10 times your thinking. When you elevate your thinking and make your goal bigger, it means you will have to implement a different strategy. You need a more creative approach to achieve what you want. Number 5th point is, get rid of your limitations. There is no limitations given by the God. You have to get rid of your limitations. Don't let these limitations stop you. Instead, choose to think beyond these limitations. After all, your limitations are just temporary. Number 6 point is, think long term. Success will never come to you overnight. You need to think long term in order to think big. Bill Gates, one of the richest men in the world, once said, most people overestimate what they can do in 1 year and underestimate what they can do in 10 years. This is the Bill Gates quotation he is told. So you have to think in long term. Seventh point is be curious to explore, dream, and discover. You must maintain your desire and keep your drive high. More importantly, always be curious to learn, to explore, and to discover. In conclusion, I will say what it comes to thinking, choose to think high, choose to think big. That is how you can attract big success in your life. Your ability to think big and to stick to your thinking is one of the most important factors that will determine your success in life. Hence, choose to think big, my friend. Choose to play it big. See what can be, not just what is. This is the most important points. See what can be, not just what is. देखिए आगे काम क्या बड़ा कर सकते हैं. Practice adding value to things, to people, and to yourself to get success in your life. Thank you, sir.